Hi, this is John with Eagle Home Inspection. I'm at 103 MacIntosh Court in Cranberry, PA. I'm in the clean out at the front of the house and in the exterior. I'm out at an unknown depth because my counter is not working. But I am in the main. You can see the greenish pipe here where it dropped in right there. So I'll pull back and see what we see on the way back. Didn't really see much of anything on the way out. It's all plastic. Clean out right now, so there are no deficiencies to report. Please refer back to the written report for any further information. Thank you.